Hi everyone, I would like to share this birthday card I made. This card measures 5.5 by 4.25. This type of card is called a joy fold card. All of the materials for this card are from Michaels. I use craft and gold foil and this colorful paper on this side, and everything is backed on some gold foil. These birthday stickers are these alphabet stickers from Recollections. This flower is from this Recollections packet. The smaller flowers are from this set of floral embellishments, and also this one as well. And I have a gold bling here in the center of the flower. So I created flower clusters on opposite sides of the center. This opens like this. Here you can see the pretty paper. It has foil on it, and then it opens this way. I have a transparency with gold foil words. On the center I put a watercolor paper, and this is a cut apart from a Joannes cut apart sheet. This is the only thing from Joannes, everything else is from Michaels. So it closes up again, and on the back I just put this wood and foil paper. So this is the card. It's a very simple card, but it's very pretty, and I really liked how it turned out. So I thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.